Hello, Crypto World, Saturday, midday in the United States, and it's already Sunday in Asia. Now, we know on Friday we had a huge rally in equities and crypto. I mean, the Dow Jones was up 800 points and 90% of the stocks in the S&P were up on Friday, and crypto went really very green. So, as I had predicted, we would have some kind of pullback. This is not a major drawdown, and you can see we still have some that are up, but basically we've backed off. We've given up some of the gains, but that's not surprising after such a dramatic move. And remember, on the weekend, it's only crypto-centric people. We don't have the ETFs, we don't have interest rates, etc. So there's a little bit of profit taking. Let me show you what's happened with Bitcoin. Here's Bitcoin. The big spike up is when Powell is speaking, and then it keeps going. It gets up to round number 117,500, and then it maintains that level. And now as we go into the weekend in the United States, you can see how it backs off, but it's still significantly higher than it was prior to Powell speaking. Right before Powell was speaking, it was around number 11,500. Now it's up to almost 115,000. Now this coming week is the last week of August, and we have options expiring on Friday. And let's take a look at what the derivative market is suggesting will happen to Bitcoin this week, and in particular on Friday. If we look at the August 29th maximum pain price, we see $116,000 for Bitcoin, and we see the notional value of $12 billion. Now, for those who aren't familiar, maximum pain price is the price where the public, the retail investors who've come in, are going to lose the most amount of money, and the whales and the market makers are going to make the most. And that suggests that the whales and the market makers anticipate this price on Friday, which is higher than where it's trading now. Monday morning, when the stock market opens, I anticipate it too will give some back of the dramatic gains that it had on Friday. And that means that the tech stocks will back off, and I anticipate the similar thing will happen with the dollar, where it dropped a lot, it will gain a little bit back. So I don't see on Monday morning any big change in crypto. I don't see any big move, but let's see what happens the rest of the weekend, because crypto's a drama queen, and we are with very low volume, so in effect it can be pushed around. But the fact that we have, for the end of the month, $12 billion of notional value in the derivative market, suggesting 116,000, is a rational place to believe that Bitcoin will be trading during this week and then finally on Friday.